to log into your Medium account on new device. So on your new device, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your medium.com, or you can open the application version of it if you want to. Then you can simply tap on the get started button on the top right corner, and then from there you can see the sign in button right here, right? Already have an account, sign in, tap on sign in, and then from there you can now simply tap on any of those platforms if you have connected it with your Medium account. It could be your Google ID, your Facebook ID, your Apple ID, or even your X ID, right? So in here, if you have created your account using your email address manually, then you can tap on sign in with email, and then all you need to do is enter your email address. Then you can tap on continue, and if you want this website to remember your email address, you can select the option remember me for faster sign in. Then like I said, tap on continue. Then you'll be able to write in the password of your account. Write in the password, then you can tap on login, and just like that you will successfully be logged into your Medium account on a new device.